Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Venmo ad money not working. So let's get started. So the first solution you can try is by making sure Venmo is updated to the latest version. So go to the App Store. Now on the bottom right, click on the search section. Now on the top, click on the search bar, search for Venmo app. And now if you see an update button over here, make sure to click on it to update it to the latest version. Now another solution you can try is by clearing cache files. So just go to the settings. Now scroll down and click on general. Over here click on iPhone storage, and now find and click on the Venmo app. Once in here, click on offload app. This will clear the cache files, and now just click on reinstall app and see if it works. If that doesn't work, then go to Venmo and log into your account. Once logged in, on the bottom right, click on your profile. Now on the top right hand side, click on the gear icon. Now scroll down and click on get help. Over here, click on contact us, and now just explain the issue to the chat support and they will help you solve the issue. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.